In this episode, I uncover a hidden treasure in the mountains. 9 colossal concrete dragons, standing as incredible giants in a forgotten park. Hi, I'm Bob, an urban explorer, and with friends I explore the most amazing abandoned places worldwide. I'm on a trip in China and already explored an abandoned mega mansion and an ultra-luxurious 5-star hotel. For my next adventure, Robin and Charles are unable to join me. Instead, Robin introduced me to Haibin, my new companion for my next adventure.
See you tomorrow, man. Haibin. Bye-bye. On to the next adventure.
Okay, see you soon. Be good. Bye.
Together, we'll be venturing into a truly extraordinary location. This hidden gem reminds me of the famous water park in Vietnam that I once explored. But this park is even larger, unknown, and promises to be an even more fascinating sight to uncover.
Yes.
After a delicious meal, our 5.5-hour journey to the mountains begins. Along the way, we encounter China's innovative anti-fatigue laser lights, beams of color designed to keep drivers alert during nighttime travel. After midnight, we reach our hotel, and with the break of dawn, we prepare for the final stretch of our journey, eager to discover the adventure that awaits us.
So after a long journey, we finally arrive at the dragons. The guard is sitting right at the front entrance, so now we're gonna find a way and see if we can get inside the dragons.
The story behind this mysterious dragon park, its construction and the reason for its abandonment about a decade ago remains shrouded in mystery. What I do know is that the dragons' names are inspired by the ancient Chinese 5 elements. So you've got the earth dragon, the water dragon, the wooden dragon, the fire dragon, and the golden dragon, as well as the cardinal directions: the dragon of the east, the dragon of the south, the dragon of the west, and the dragon of the north. These majestic sculptures are massive, with dragon heads reaching heights of 22 to 35 meters, which is 72 to 115 feet, while their bodies stretch between 150 to 400 meters, which is 500 to 1,300 feet. As for the interiors, I'm not sure what to expect, so I'll be choosing the dragons that are the easiest to reach unnoticed.
Here's water.
A large wall surrounds the park, and the dense vegetation behind it presents an even greater challenge. We make our way around the perimeter and, to our surprise, receive help from some local residents, a rare sight in other countries. Fortunately, their assistance is not necessary, as I managed to spot a small entry leading inside.
Yeah. Oh. Good. Oh.
After navigating through the thick vegetation, the first 2 dragons come into view in the distance.
Oh, there they are.
The south and north dragons. While their exteriors are less impressive than others, they are a perfect starting point, as they are more remote from the main gate than any security.
The guard still drives here, you can see it.
Well, the first one we'll explore looks more like a triceratops to me.
Let's take a look.
To our surprise, we find that we can simply walk right in.
Oh, they close it.
We enter the belly of the dragon.
Oh. So we made it inside one of the dragons. And I think every dragon had its own theme.
Inside these dragons, you'll find displays showcasing a blend of historical, cultural, and geographical knowledge, as well as myth, legends, and more.
Looks like a zoo. I really don't know what to expect inside. I only saw the exteriors. That's pretty funny. They simulated some mountains here. So unfortunately we don't have Charles. He knows a lot about mythology and the stories, but I will ask him and then add it in a voiceover, because I guess these are all famous myth or stories, or this one. This is the end of one. But there's a walkway there. We can check if we... Yeah.
Originally, these dragons were connected by a walking trail at the tails, offering an ideal route to remain unnoticed. However, nature has reclaimed these paths. We make our way back down inside the dragon and move on to the next one. The Dragon of the North. Its name alone hints at what we'll discover within.
Oh. Hey, brr, it's the North Pole. It's maybe the ice dragon. Look at this. Hilarious.
This? Tây Lũng.
Tây Lũng is ice or North Pole?
Tây Lũng. Lũng means dragon.
Dragon. Yeah. All the things I've seen here, it looks more like the Ark of Noah. All kind of animals. Oh, nice ship here. There is Santa Claus. Oh, just destroyed. But there is another one. You know this guy, Santa?
Yeah.
There's quite a lot to see inside. Did not expect it. I think they can better go to the zoo instead of watching these concrete structures. So as you can see, this focuses on the Arctic. I don't know why, but I have to think of crappy taxidermy. If you never heard about it, Google it. If it's black, fight back. If it's brown, lay down. If it's white, good night. I almost met him during one of my explorations in Svalbard. Zag twee beren broodjes smeren for the Dutch viewers. Yeah, but how large is this place? So I guess because it's completely overgrown on the outside, it's a nice dragon to climb. So that's what we're gonna try. Wow, look at the big paws of the dragon. I'm gonna check if you can climb it, since it's a nice remote one. Look at the view, epic.
We explored the two dragons in this part, but to reach the others, we need to find a new way in. That means heading back to the road and search for another entrance. A task that's easier said than done.
Nice, good.
And again, we get some help from locals and warned where the security is situated. We drive to the other remote side of the park.
So some of the dragons are located somewhere right there, but we're at a movie studios apparently, and they don't let us through, so we have to go back.
Returning to the main gate, I launch my drone to scout for potential paths and keep an eye on the security guards. Suddenly, while still flying the drone, one of the guard leaves and we immediately take the opportunity to slip in through the main gate.
The man is going now.
Good, right?
He is going.
Let's go.
We managed to get inside unnoticed. And for leaving undetected, well, that's a problem for later. We have entered the Dragon, which houses the underwater palace of the East Sea. This palace serves as the home of the Dragon King and his court, where he governs the seas, controls rain and floods, and interact with both divine and mortal characters in various legends.
That's a strange turtle.
1, 2, 4, 6.
Yeah, 6-pack.
4.
Oh. So we've seen the Arctic and another one, I think the desert, and this is below the sea.
Those dragons play the ball. Yeah.
Hilarious, yeah. Wow. This is Dragon's house.
对 ，Dragon House 龙宫。
Uh-huh.
哪里？
龙宫。
龙宫。
Strange type of dragon. Some kind of mix. Look at her haircut. Nothing now.
You know what time it is. Time for the next dragon. We reach the Earth Dragon, which, unlike the others we have seen, actually resembles a true dragon, rather than a dinosaur. And I wonder what awaits us inside.
Oh wow.
A dead bat. To our surprise, we finally can enter the mouth of the dragon. Good timing, because one of the guards just returns.
Open. So he's back.
This is likely someone who has set up a vegetable garden on the property. Something that's surprisingly common in abandoned locations in China. Time to explore the Earth Dragon, a symbol deeply connected to the mountains and soil, embodying the stability, strength and agricultural vitality that sustains life. This dragon is often regarded as the guardian of the land, representing the nurturing qualities of Earth that support growth and fertility.
This one seems a little bit less interesting. Yeah. It's like a grinder. Yeah. They got some big ass trees in here. Nice. Whoa, nice dragon. Eagle's mouth. Chinese Kung Fu.
Yeah.
Ah, this house Kung Fu. Big. Oh, there's the end. Looking if I can scale this dragon. Maybe it's not the best idea to walk here. Look at this. Yeah. I don't know.
Well, I better not break any bones here. As daylight fades, we have to leave this incredible location behind, having only explored 4 of the 9 dragons. 5 others are waiting to be explored. Rumor has it there is still a roller coaster and some other rides inside one of the dragons. And who knows what other secrets are waiting. Let me know in the comments if you want me to return and explore more of these dragons. But hold on, our adventure isn't over yet.
Bye bye.
We head to an unfinished temple, home to another amazing dragon.
Cute.
They have 2.
Open? Also locked. Maybe he is key. That guy. Epic.
After tipping the guard, he unlocks the ground gates, revealing the magnificent Dragon King.
Oh yeah. Nice, yeah. Wow.
The dragon's name is Long Wang Ye. Long Wang Ye.
Long Wang Ye.
Yeah.
This dragon embodies the powerful cultural symbols of water, prosperity and protection. Temples dedicated to the Dragon King are often found near rivers and lakes.
It's peacock. It's like
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. Starting to rain. God damn it.
BBQ.
It's a place for barbecue.
Barbecue's Chinese 烧烤.
Ah, charcoal.
We climb to the top of the temple to check the view.
Nice. 360 view.
His name is Cai Shen. Help you very much.
Ah, we're getting rich.
Yeah.
More broken stuff over there. Ah, it's the same guy. Here you have a good view on the whole side. There you can see how we parked the car. Here's the entrance.
Before we go, we pay some respect to the Dragon King.
Cool place.
Time for our journey back to Shanghai, where more adventures are waiting. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more epic adventures.